it's Gina with WTI. I absolutely love it when I find a pair of slacks that are comfortable but are also really cute and classy. I've been wearing this pair from NuNu Yong, and a couple things that I love about it are first is color. It's red plum. It's so gorgeous. I have people ask me all the time where I got this from because it just looks so pretty. I got the size medium petite, and this is absolutely perfect. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. I have a 30-inch waist and 42-inch hips. And it definitely has some stretch to it, and that's so nice because you actually just pull them on. And I found that that is really easy to do with the give in the fabric. I also love that it comes with its own belt and of course has belt loops, so you could change that out with a belt of your own if you wanted to. And also it has pockets, so I really like that look a lot. I find the length is absolutely perfect for my height and looks really cute with a pair of heels. You can't go wrong with a pair of these slacks from NuNu Yong. They have a lot of different colors and sizes too, so you're sure to find the pair that is best for you. And that's my point of view.